Day 16 update. While I was out gallivanting around, thinking the day was a washout and I shouldn't be flying, there were a whole bunch of people out flying and enjoying the day. I never really thought about that, but I guess I'm pretty timid in my flying. But anyway, during the happenings of the day, there was a mid-air collision, and then also a near miss or a near hit, I guess you would say. A fellow was taking off on a paraglider, a powered paraglider, and an airplane was landing at just the same time, and it was a really close call. The video I have is not the greatest, but I thought I'd share it with you. So I'll show you two perspectives of the mid-air collision and the near hit. Fortunately, everybody was okay. They landed safely or took off safely, and aside from emotional scars and some physical damage to equipment, everything should be good. So I'm glad everybody's down and safe, and yeah, let me know what you think of these videos.